In today's video, I'll walk you through how to find AI tokens on CoinGecko. Start by opening your browser and going to the CoinGecko website. Once the homepage loads, look toward the top navigation area of the page. CoinGecko organizes cryptocurrencies into different sections, including category-based listings that help you explore projects by theme or industry. From the top menu, look for the cryptocurrencies section. Hover over it if needed to open the drop-down menu, then click on Categories. This will take you to CoinGecko's Categories page, where cryptocurrencies are grouped by sectors such as decentralized finance, gaming, infrastructure, meme coins, and artificial intelligence. Once the Categories page opens, scroll through the list of available categories and look for one related to AI. Depending on the current naming on CoinGecko, this category may appear as artificial intelligence, AI tokens, or a similar label connected to artificial intelligence and machine learning projects. If the page includes a search or filter option, you can use it to quickly locate the AI-related category instead of manually scrolling through the full list. Once you find the category, click on it to open the dedicated category page. On the AI category page, CoinGecko will show you a list of cryptocurrencies and tokens that are grouped under that AI-related category. This list makes it easier to discover projects connected to artificial intelligence without having to search for each token one at a time. Each token listing typically includes information such as the token name, ticker symbol, current price, market cap, trading volume, and recent price performance. You can scroll through the page to browse the available AI tokens and compare them directly from the category list. If one of the tokens stands out to you, click on its name to open its individual coin page. On that page, you can review more details such as the price chart, market data, supply information, contract details if available, and links related to the project. If you want to compare several AI tokens, you can open multiple token pages in separate browser tabs while keeping the category page open. This makes it easier to switch between projects and compare their data side by side. You can also return to the AI category page anytime to continue browsing additional tokens in that sector. Using the category page is one of the easiest ways to find AI-related cryptocurrencies on CoinGecko, because everything is grouped in one place. And that's it. That's how to find AI tokens on CoinGecko by opening the categories section, selecting the AI-related category, and browsing the tokens listed there.